Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the damage and collecting what you need. If threads are stripped or cracked, note whether you can retap or must fill and reform. Once you have epoxy, sandpaper, a pin vise, and a clamp, remove the part from the assembly to work cleanly. Make sure to clean oil and debris with alcohol so adhesives bond. At this stage, act decisively. A prepared surface determines whether repairs hold under torque. You now focus on restoring the thread profile. First, sand and clear loose material so the filler can adhere. Once done, use a small drill or pin vise to re-establish the lead-in and shallow grooves. Work gently to avoid enlarging the hole. Then apply epoxy or molten plastic in thin layers, building up the root and crest of the thread slowly. Make sure to shape roughly with a tool while tacky. This reduces filing time later and preserves alignment for the mating fastener. You finish by sanding and cutting the cured material to match the original thread using the mating bolt as a guide. Work with progressive fitting so you don't accidentally remove too much. Once it fits smoothly, clean and optionally apply thread locker or light lubricant. If the bolt binds or strips again, don't force it. Instead, use a helicoil-style insert or replace the part entirely because repeated rework weakens plastic. Remember this troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.